Hi, welcome to the Online Jewelry Academy. I'm Professor John Ahr and I'm your instructor. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to take your jewelry on the road and keep it bright and shiny. But before I do that, if you're new to our channel, take the time now to click the button in the lower right-hand corner of your screen so that you can become a subscriber. And when the video's done, be sure to like it and share it with your friends. Okay, so you may want to take your jewelry practice on the road with you. Either you're going to a special show or maybe you're just going on vacation and you're a busy bee and you want to keep your hands busy. Well, you're going to need a way to keep your jewelry bright and shiny or put a polish on it before you sell it to somebody. So let me tell you a little story. When I was teaching at California State University at Los Angeles, I had a student who she wanted to travel throughout Central and South America. Her plan was that she was going to pay for incidentals along the way by selling jewelry on market day in whatever town or village that she happened to be in. She would spread out her blanket with the locals, and she had a small box filled with pliers, cutters, and spools of wire, and she would make wire wrap jewelry. Well, I asked her, how did you finish it off? How did you make it nice and shiny for your customers? And she told me that she used a thrumming tool. So let me show you how to make one. What you're going to need to do is purchase some of this. This is 100% cotton twine. You'll find this at the grocery store. It's used for cooking poultry. You'll also need a closed jump ring. This one I got at the local hardware store. Be sure to get one that's large enough to fit your big toe. You'll also need a pair of scissors and a yardstick. Now, what I've already done previously is I wrapped the yardstick 6 times with the cotton cord. Then what you do is just take your scissors and slip it underneath the cord and cut at each end. So there's one end. And now I got the other. Quick and easy. Okay, so once you've cut the cords, find the center of the cords. So just even it out and make a loop. Then thread the loop through your closed jump ring, and then you want to straighten out your cords a little bit. So I'm going to hold the loop with one finger, and I'll hold my jump ring with the other and just straighten these cords out. Then what I want to do is open this loop up and pull the cording through. And once you get the cording through, pull it tight. That's it. This is a thrumming tool. Now let me set this aside and let me show you. Now you could attach that tool to any part of your bench, especially if you put a hook into your bench, or you can use a bench vise like I did. Then what you want to do is take your thrumming tool, straighten out the cords, and pick out a compound, a polishing compound that you'd like to use. And in this case, I'm using Red Rouge. And what you do is you just pull the cords tight and just rub them with the polishing compound. Now, when you do this, be sure that you wear a dust mask. And when you use these cords, wear your dust mask. I'm going to risk my life for you in this video just to show you how, but be safe. Now, you want to be sure to move the cords around so that you basically cover every surface of the cord on all sides with your polishing compound. Once you're done with that, then just set it aside. Then what you can do is if you straighten out the cords to create a broad surface, you could take something like the broad surface of the back side of this ring and just glide it across your cords in order to bring up a nice polish on that surface. Now, if you want to get some of the detail like between the shanks of the ring, you could take just one cord, slip it through the opening of the 2 wires, and give it a pull. And now you have it attached to the cord and just run it up and down that cord, and you can get in between those 2 wires and get it bright and shiny. Now, be sure that you wash your hands and that you wash your jewelry item in between steps. And when you're ready to hit the road, all you need to do is get yourself a plastic bag and a permanent marker. Write whatever type of compound you're using on the thrumming tool on the bag, and then this way you can take them with you in their own separate little bags, and you'll have no cross-contamination whatsoever. It's important that you write the names of the compounds on the bags because eventually with use, they're all going to look black and dirty. So this is a good way to keep your hands clean, keep it off of your clothing and your suitcase, and have fun on your vacation polishing some jewelry. I hope you like this tip. There are plenty more like it on our website at onlinejewelryacademy.com. If you'd like to fund the production of a future video at the Online Jewelry Academy, you can do so with a contribution through patreon.com. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And don't forget, we have a great paid course called Colorful Silver Jewelry. You'll find this on udemy.com. This is a comprehensive course for beginners that covers virtually everything that you need to know to start making jewelry. Thanks for watching.